afternoon to y'all. Today I'm taking y'all on a live canvassing. And why do I do these live canvassing jobs? Well, it's mainly for the newcomers. If they don't have an idea of how to approach businesses or have an answer for them when they call for you to come out to give them a quote, it just kind of like broadens the horizons, gives the viewers and the newcomers some ideas on what to say and how to respond on what they say. Each situation may be different, so you got to be in a relaxed state of mind always and act like you know what you're talking about if you don't. This just gives you some ideas to know what to say if you can't think of it yourself. Watching these videos will give you some ideas that you can say even though you may not know it to be true. The customer don't know this. It's not like you're lying to them, but you gotta be professional at the same time. So that's why I do these videos. You won't see live canvassing videos on YouTube, period, in reference to window cleaning. And some of you can guess why, but most people cannot do this efficiently in a relaxed state because this captures the realness of what we have to go through in the daily life of a window cleaner. This is what we go through. If you can see this in real time, this will give you an idea on whether or not you want to even get into this business. This may not be for everybody. Not everybody want to get out there and clean windows. Not everybody want to get out there and stick their hands in freezing cold water when it's 15, 20 degrees out. If you're living in those areas, these are things you got to think about. So, if you're bored, and if you don't like live canvassing jobs, then, hey, don't watch the video. It's not for everybody. I do this because of the very few people it may help. And that's all that matters, about helping people. Anything else is irrelevant. So I'm taking you on a live canvassing job. Oh, before I forget, this is a pizzeria. Now, I assume he looked me up online, and I popped up for the area. So we're gonna go by. This is the sixth commercial and storefront job I got from the internet. Everyone else is residential. And I noticed that I'm starting to get a lot more storefront window cleaning. Whether or not anyone was doing it before me, I don't know. But we'll find out when we get there. So you'll know just why people do what they do. It's possible that it's never been done, or they got tired of doing it themselves. Or they had somebody and they're just not happy, or they didn't show up. One of the four. We'll find out together though, and I'll take you guys along with me. So enjoy, and I'll see you when we get there. All right, we're here. This is a shopping center. Guarantee you I'll get some more work out of here just from me being here and just cleaning one job. Today is not that day, but I guarantee you, watch what I tell you. Either someone's going to stop and ask me, or I'm going to stop and give some cards out. Looks like they have quite a few windows. Oh, neons. I don't like to mess with neons, but I hope he knows this is going to be extra if he wants me to do them around them neons. Bust one of them neons up, man, you'll be cleaning free for the rest of the whole year. And I hope you guys got insurance if you're going to even try to remotely attempt to clean a window with neons in it. For me, it doesn't pay if I bust it up, because I don't want to put in an insurance claim unless I really have to. Okay, looks like somebody might have been doing it. I'm just going to park up in the front. Well, I wanted to talk to him about the window cleaning. He called me on the phone.
They tell you to come in?
Yeah. Do you know when he's coming back?
Yeah, about an hour, didn't they?
Yeah, how long ago was that?
40 minutes ago.
All right. And how long, once he comes back around that time, how long is he going to be there?
Probably be here.
I think you can only use the glass door.
Because I got a house I got to do. It might take about an hour or so. If he's going to still be here, I'll stop back in.
All right, well, let me talk to Brandon. I'm just going to bring out. She's here.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Yeah. I wrote the price on there anyway.
Alright, you're just cleaning the windows? Is it cleaning?
Well, I don't know about cleaning them, but he called me to come over and take a look.
Okay.
And that's what yeah, that's.
Alright, I'll leave this for him.
I told him I was going to come before I do the house.
Okay.
You know, because I had an appointment at 1, but no big deal.
Alright.
I can always come back, or I already looked at it, so if he has any questions, he can, you know, just call me. That price is just one-time fee, because I don't know how he wants to set the price up. I mean, the job up. You know, if it's once a month or twice a month. You know, obviously, if I'm doing it more often, it'll be cheaper.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?